Hello and welcome to Demystifying the Magic. So far we've been talking mostly about self-contained applications, but what about instances where you need to capture accurate measurements over a long distance? For answers to this question, we're going to check in with our factory line management correspondent, Ethan Cooley. Ethan, how you doing?
Happy to be here, Drew.
Wait, I'm sorry. Where are you? It doesn't look exactly like anywhere on Earth.
Well, I'm just following a lead, Drew. I received a tip from some innovative spice mining practices that they've developed on a desert planet in the far reaches of space that have completely revolutionized the spice trade with major political implications for this corner of the galaxy. Legally, I can't say much more, but these people sure know how to party.
Can you say more about these mining practices?
Well, spice is just about the only resource worth anything out here. The good news is, it's worth a lot. Extracting it was always wildly dangerous, until the mining union reached out to Panasonic, who hooked them up with the HG F1, the company's long-range distance sensor model.
And how is this changing the spice trade?
The quality of the spice is typically in direct correlation to the depths of its bed, which are located just centimeters below the surface of the sand. Most beds have a depth around 1.5 meters, but the really good stuff, you can find that in beds about twice that deep. And let me tell you, Drew, once you've had the good stuff.
So, how exactly is this component helping them?
The HG F1 features narrower field sensing compared to most conventional adjustable range distance sensors. This increases its accuracy by resisting input from the surrounding area, ensuring you're only getting a read from the input you're looking for. It's allowed them to get more acute readings of the various beds so they can scale the pricing of the spice relative to the exact depth of the bed.
So Ethan, have the designers of this component sacrificed distance for its narrow field feature?
Not at all, Drew. The HG F1 sensor has a sensing distance of 1/4 to 3 meters. This allows for highly variable options of installation for all different types of manufacturing, such as above a worker station or outside a robot's operating range from a distance.
Any applications that might be relevant to those of us here on Earth?
While leveraging this component's long-distance capability for safety, it can also address other challenges, like material handling and quality control. Placing a sensor at a distant location means it's not affected by scattering debris or interference from human workers. This capability, along with the HG F1's ability to monitor distances within millimeters, makes it the perfect option for placement at critical points in the production line, so you can measure dimensions and detect any deviations from the desired specifications and ensuring consistent and high-quality output.
Something that does all that must take up quite a lot of space.
Well, actually, this new model they're implementing out here is only 80% the volume ratio of the previous model.
Well, that actually all sounds really great. Any inside scoop on the political implications of this development in the spice trade?
Honestly, I find the galactic politics of this whole thing pretty obtuse. But it looks and sounds great out here. I might even put in for some vacation time and delay my flight. I bet I've got a long weekend before the real fighting breaks out.
All right, well, stay safe out there. Whatever your specific use case might be, our team of engineers are always excited to explore creative applications of our components. So be sure to reach out or leave any ideas you might have in the comments. Until next time, this is Demystifying the Magic.